What's up, YouTube? Ready to do a review of the Impala SS. Here we go, right here. 2006 Impala SS. It's kind of dirty right now. Follow me on YouTube, BYM_shop. Another ass fucking Durango. Some slow shit. Yeah, here we go. I mean, everybody been talking about these headlights. Talking about they got good headlights. I really like them. I had them for about 3 years. Like, they didn't start peeling until about 2 months ago. I mean, all that. That's why people don't like them, because they do that. But people say they do that like in a couple of months. Mine took about 3 years to start doing it. About 2 months. But they on warranty. I got new ones coming, so that's good. So I like them. They might be the 2015 Charger headlights. They run that headlights, so that's why I like them so much. I like the Charger headlights. About the tail lights, they still original. I'm thinking about swap and getting them custom. I don't know. Probably just tint them black, or probably just get some custom headlights. I mean tail lights. I don't know what. Everybody talking about this right here. The back. A lot of Charger people talking about why you do that to that, why you do that, why you trying to be like us. I said, how? They say SS and don't say Daytona, no Hellcat, no RT. But yeah, that's, I'll be honest, I did get the idea from the Chargers. And it really turned out good on the SS. I was kind of skeptical about it, but it turned out good. Yeah. I see the inside of it. I mean, it's kind of dirty. I just had a 2-hour trip from Philadelphia. So got the fire essentials just in case of a fire. You know, safety first. You know, you gotta be safety out here this pandemic time. You know, got the hand sanitizer. Got the little mask. Yeah. Go to the back seat. Nothing major. Got more masks over there in case somebody needed a mask. More hand sanitizers, like, yeah. Well, let me see. Let me do the. I mean, ain't no cold start. I'm gonna start it up for y'all. Yes, it got auto start. Okay. I took the factory radio out, like the aftermarket ad, only because the factory radio, they had no Bluetooth really, and plus when I got the car, the CD player didn't work. So yeah, so that didn't work. So basically I got a TV radio. It played movies, videos. In here. Got the locks. And there's a backup camera. Yes, it got night vision and the backup camera. I'm gonna show y'all that. So basically, yeah, this is my 2006 Impala SS. Had it for about 3 years. Transmission went once. Got a rebuild. After that, I had no problems after that. Got the transmission cooler, the shift kit. So basically, yeah, it's been running good. Excellent, to be honest. I love this car. Everybody talk about them, talk about they ain't good cars, the transmission and all that. Yeah, you burn out the transmission. It's not a race car. It's an okay fast car, but it's not a race car. You can't treat it like a race car. Yeah, you gonna have problems. That's what any car, Charger, Camaro, Mustang, you gonna have problems with these cars. They're not race cars. Yeah, yes, they go fast, but they not NASCARs. You feel me? Like, yes, you still can race them, bro. Like, I ain't telling you can't race. You can race your car, but they not race cars. You gonna have problems. Oily, transmission failure, engine blow. Then when you do mods, you gonna have problems with the mods. The people get mad at the people that put it in. No. You treating these cars the way they don't supposed to be treated sometimes. If you understand what I'm saying. They're good cars. I love them. While I ride past, people are like, damn, what you got in there? They think it's a V6, but no, it's a V8 LS4. Like, some people never saw an Impala SS before, and I'm surprised. Only SS they know is the 96 Impala, and that's crazy. So basically, yeah, I don't really got nothing. Blue lights, sunroof. Really basically it. Yeah, I'm gonna do a rev video. I'm gonna do a rev before I end this video too. But like, comment, subscribe. I'm doing a PS5. Don't forget, I'm doing a PS5 and an Xbox Series X giveaway too at 1K. I'm gonna put the link in the description of this video, so how to enter. So come on, y'all, show love. I'm gonna try to do this YouTube thing the best way I can. I ain't gonna say I'm gonna be the best YouTuber, but I'm gonna try my best to get good content. And just make sure y'all show love. Support. That's all I ask for. So catch y'all later in the next video, y'all. Be safe.